Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you very short and simple thing, but you need to know this because when you are operating Coreldraw and it's too fast, Coreldraw operating is too fast, you get stuck up in somewhere. Suppose this is one of the basic one, control R. If most of all sometime control R doesn't work, so what's the thing I'll show you. First I'll show what is control R. It's the option for repeat. So suppose when you duplicate one thing and go to control R, your object gets repeated. Okay, see, I'm coming control R, my object is getting repeated. Okay, so this is one thing. And suppose if your control R is not working, somehow it's not working, your keyboard R is not working, so what you need to do is, see, you take one box, select control D, this is in duplicate option. Okay, I am placing over here, see, I am just clicking only once, then I am clicking control D, see, control D, I am just placing once, then clicking again control D. Do you get this? Very simple thing, it's very easy. And the other thing is manually, you can do manually from over here, but I'll prefer you will go to for these two settings. This is very simple. If not control R, then control D. Okay, I'll show you again control D. See, control D is moving upside, just drag it over here and then click control D. Your option will get repeated. Okay, thank you.